Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. Here I am Lokman, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is scene passage, which has been taken from your EFT, English for today. Our today's discussion topic is Unit 20, Lesson 1 and 2. In this lesson, it has been discussed about a girl whose name is Maria. Maria is a girl who can see the beautiful world because she is visually impaired child. That's why she can see like us. But she goes to school regularly. She is a good learner. She can learn everything from Braille. So let's see what's going on our today's discussion. First of all, we will read out the passage carefully, and during reading we can identify some important information and we can underline with our pencil, and then we will go back to question, and after reading question answer, then we have to come back to our reading passage again. Okay, it's a beautiful spring day. How is the day? A beautiful spring day. Maria gets up early. When does she get up? She gets up early in the morning. She feels happy. She knows that it's a nice day because she puts her hand on the glass of the window. She knows that it's a very beautiful day because she can feel after touching on the thing. She touches the glass and then she can feel that the day is very beautiful day. Okay, it's very warm. She opens the window and the singing of the birds fills the room. She can smell the flowers outside her home. They smell sweet and fresh. After Maria gets dressed and has her breakfast, she puts her books in her bag. She is ready for school. Maria is a lot like any other students in her neighborhood. Like other children in her neighborhood, she resembles many things. She goes to school regularly like others. She comes back to school from school to home like others. She learns like other students, and her teacher says that Maria is a good learner yet. Okay, next. But Maria can't see. She goes to school and likes be with her friends, but Maria can't see the beautiful spring day. Why? Because she is a visually impaired child. She can't see the flowers, the blue sky, or the singing birds. She can't see the new green leaves on the trees. She can't see this because she is visually impaired. Why? Because she is visually impaired. Underline this. Okay. Next, she has been unable to see. She has been unable to see since she was born. When? Since she was born. Okay, but Maria is happy. She goes to school every day. She can learn the information because she reads Braille. She reads Braille. What is Braille? Braille is a script that uses raised dots. Each letter is made from dots. People move their fingers across the raised dots to read. Maria learned to read Braille as a young child. Her books are in Braille. Braille is everything for her in school. During schooling time, she reads everything from Braille. After touching on the surface of Braille, she can imagine what should be and what type of letter is it. By this way, she can learn her lesson. Okay, Maria learned to read Braille as a young child. Her books are in Braille. She enjoys reading poems and history. Underline is very important information. What does she like to read? She enjoys reading poems and history. Maria's teacher says she is a good learner. Okay, now go to question number 1. In this part, you will get some question of matching. Matching of A column and B column. In column A, there will be given some important words, root words, vocabulary, and column B, The meaning of the vocabulary will be given here. So just you have to arrange in proper way. First of all, is given here fresh. What does fresh mean? To find out the correct answer from here, we need to read out until we get the correct answer. Damaged or not good as before. Is it really the meaning of fresh? No, it can't be. Okay, second one, form of printing or blind people. No. Someone who is learning. No. Refreshing. Yes, that is the right answer. Fresh, refreshing. So right answer from here. My first answer is given here, A plus 4. This is the correct order you need to write in this way in your exam. Answer to the question number 1, right here, A plus 4, then give comma, then match word to word. First of all, number to number, then word to word. Okay, next number B, impaired. Impaired means damaged or not good as before. Yes, that is the real answer. So B plus 1. That is our number, and the word is impaired. Write impaired here, and it will be matched with damaged or not good as before. Okay, next go to number C, raised. Raised means someone who is learning no higher than surrounding area of surface. Yes, that is the correct answer. C plus 5. Word is raised. Right here word, then give hyphen, then the matched answer, higher than surrounding. Higher than surrounding area or surface. Okay, next go to number D, braille. What does braille mean? Braille form of printing for blind people. Braille is a form of printing for blind people. D plus 2. Okay, right here braille, double L, braille. Then write the correct answer, form of printing. Form of printing for whom? For blind people. Blind people. Okay, next last one. E number, learner. Who is learner? Someone who is learning. So E plus 3. Number 3 should be matched with number E. So give comma here, write learner. Someone who is learning. Okay, it's done. Question number 1. Now go to question number 2. It's about true false. Write true for correct statement or false for incorrect statement. The day mentioned in the passage is a windy day in spring. Is it right? Check with your passage. According to the passage, this information is not correct, because according to the passage we came to learn that the day is a beautiful spring day. There was not mentioned any word like windy. So write here false, because the statement is false. Write false. Okay, number B, Maria gets up late in the morning, but in passage it's written here Maria gets up early in the morning. So the statement is also false. Write false here. Okay, next number C, Maria can see flowers outside her home. How funny. It can't be true, because Maria is a blind girl. How can she see the outside? It's not possible. So it also are false information. Write false here. Next number, Maria is a good learner. Yes, it's true. Her teacher also says that Maria is a good learner. Okay, write here true. Okay, next number E, Braille is a script only for Maria. No, Braille is a one kind of printed chart which is used to teach the students who are visually impaired and blind. So it's not only for Maria, it's for all type of blind girls or boys. So it also false. Okay, now go to question number 3 is all about asking some questions. You have to write answer here. First question is, how does Maria know that it's a nice day? How does she feel that it's a nice day? According to the passage, you can come back to passage. She feels happy. She knows that it's a nice day because she puts her hand on the glass of the window. After touching on the window, she feels that the day is very beautiful. So you can write here, Maria knows that. My dear student, listen carefully. If your question is asked by does, auxiliary verb does, then writing answer you have to add extra s with your principal verb. Maria knows that it's a nice day because she puts her hand. She puts her hand on the glass of the window. On the glass of the window. Okay, next one. Why can't she see the beautiful spring day? You know the answer because she write first subject. She can't see the beautiful spring day because she is a visually impaired. Okay, next, how is the day? Very beginning line of our passage is a beautiful spring day, right here. It's a beautiful spring day. Okay, next question. What does Maria enjoy to read? At the last sentence in passage, you can write here, you can see here, she enjoys reading poems and history. Maria enjoys reading poems and history. Okay. Next question and the last one. What do you know about Braille? Write in 3 sentences. In maximum case, your last sentence is little bit longer because you have to write at least 3 sentences in your last question. Okay. Now, what do you know about Braille? The answer is here. It's given in your passage. Braille is a script right from here. Braille is a script that uses raised dots. Raised dots. It's my first sentence. Raised dots what? To read. Okay, my second sentence should be here. Each letter is made. Each letter is made from dots. Okay, we have to write another one sentence. People move their fingers. People move their fingers for what? Across the raised dots. Across the raised dots to read. Okay, I have written here 3 sentences. You also supposed to write 3 sentences in your last question. This is all. We are at the end of our today's class. This is all about our today's discussion. First of all, you need to read out the full passage carefully. Then just during reading, identify the information and just find out where the information is located. then go to the question, read out. After reading the question, come back to your passage again and just match your information with your question. So I hope you have understood our today's discussion. Now I will provide you an SW. Please submit this SW. It's very important. Don't consider this as merely as SW. This is very important for you because we are supplying and providing such kind of topic for your SW, which little bit creative writing. You will submit your SW, then we will give some feedback in your writing. It's found some mistakes in your writing, so please submit your SW so that we can give you feedback. Okay, our today's SW is write a short composition on life of a girl with impaired vision. Life of a girl with impaired vision. This is your short composition topic. Please submit this SW next Sunday. Okay, keep practicing at home. Don't go outside. Eat more vegetables and drink a lot of water. Try to improve your immunity system and listen to your parents. Allah Hafiz.